you join me in the delightful village of Bishops Itchington, benefiting from a large co-op, a primary school, a preschool, a pub and a lovely village cafe. Behind me we have the Glebe House, a charming 4-bedroom family home. This beautifully presented property is set back from the road down a private driveway. It's secluded, peaceful and has open fields to the rear. Follow me and I'm going to take you for a look around. Bishops Itchington is a fantastic location for transport links, being just a few minutes drive from junction 12 of the M40. However, if you work from home, there's also an amazing air-conditioned garden office.